Melanie Mills. Welcome to my channel, Toasted Blonde. Today we're doing Ipsy bags. Now I don't get a lot of views on Ipsy bags, but I get so freaking excited about Ipsy bags, so I'm going to share it with you. So I've come up with a new formula for revealing my Ipsy bag. I'll do like a quick reveal of January, and then I'm going to do like a review and a reveal of December, but a review because I've been trying them for about a month and I can tell you what I think. So stay tuned. All right, here is my December bag, and here's my new January bag, and I'm so excited. I peaked. The first time I've had Ipsy bags for a whole year, and I peaked. All right, I'm so freaking excited. But first, I should tell you, I'm Melanie. I like makeup. I'm not a beauty guru or anything. I don't sell anything. I'm just me. Sometimes I swear in my videos, and I try to put 2 videos out a week. So, I have rosacea, sensitive skin. I'm 45 years old. And so, if any of that interests you, subscribe to my channel right now, and let's get started. All right, December bag. Okay, December bag was... I'm just gonna spoiler alert, my most disappointing bag ever from Ipsy, okay? And it really wasn't that disappointing, okay? So I decided to add a hand cream because I had all these points that are gonna expire. And I loved these delectable hand creams. I had one like some other time this year, and this one was like orange, I don't know, I can't see it, I don't have my glasses on. Okay, this was one I added to my bag. Love it. And then, surprise, I got like a gingerbread one. And I love this one too. So that was a big plus. Thank you, Ipsy. I don't know how moisturizing they are, but I use them like every day after I wash dishes like 100 times a day. And they smell so good. I feel like I'm like pampering myself, and they make me so happy. So I'm thinking also like next year I'm gonna look at to like give some of these as gifts to people because I love them. They smell good. I don't know, maybe people won't appreciate it like that. All right, next up in the bag was, where did it go? I put it all back in here. Maybe I've lost it. All right, it was Professional Primer, okay. I was like, oh no, another primer that's gonna fail. This one did not fail at all. I'm really considering buying it, except that I have all these like little samples of primers that I've been using lately. And so I have like no full-size primer except one that's almost empty. But I have all these samples. So this one, I'm holding on to this little thing to remind me to buy this. Okay, so it really did make my pores smaller, and it really did make my skin, the foundation last longer. And I used it with like probably only 2 foundations because lately I've been using a sunscreen foundation, and you can't really put a primer on underneath that. But I did test it out thoroughly, and I am thoroughly impressed with that one. All right, so let's get to, okay. See, I'm not disappointed yet. December was a great bag. Okay, then I got Catherine. It says all over powder, but it's a highlighter, and it's really pretty color. I loved it. It is too sparkly for me. Now the sparkles are really small. Like, let me show you. Let me just see if I can get it. Oh, look. Oh my God. Okay, so it's just, can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. It's just too glittery for me. I really loved it. So I passed it on to my daughter, and I dug it out from her stash to show it to you. I didn't think the staying power was that great. Like, I'd put it on at night if I was going somewhere, but I'm not going to wear it because it's too much for me. These wrinkles can't handle it. Can't handle the sparkle. Maybe at night, like a special occasion, I would dig it up, but it's not for me. But it was still kind of a win because it's so pretty, and it made me happy, and it made her happy. Then, here's a Professional, my little sample. All right, that was so cool. All right, next, let's do the dud. The complete dud was this Dr. Lip tint. Sweet potato. Okay, it like made my lips feel tingly, like maybe it was gonna like plump them out nicely, but it didn't really do anything. It didn't do anything for color. It was just like this sticky goo I put on my lips, and I just didn't get the point. I didn't get it, so I completely missed it. That was my only like huge fail in a year, so I'll take it. I'm fine. It's perfectly fine with me. And then the next fail was I have fucking given up. Oops. given up on lip stains. I hate them. This one says it's like a lip gloss, but really it's like a crossover between a lip stain and a lip gloss, and I couldn't figure it out. It got all over my face. It just looked terrible, and I don't know what to tell you. I'm done with liquid lips. I'm moving on to lipstick. I've got a couple orders out, and I'm looking for like a blurring. Anyway, I need like these old lips need something different than matte. Liquid lips are not working for me, and that one didn't work out. The color was really pretty. It just didn't work out for me. I think I'm gonna cut to like a view of me putting it on last time and what a disaster it looked like. Oh, let's put a little footage in. Okay, the last thing is lip brulee. I've decided I hate liquid lips. I can't get out. It ends up on my teeth. I don't know why. It doesn't make my lips look right. It blends down. This one is super liquidy. I don't know how to explain it other than I just found it super liquidy, and it like took forever to dry, and it's not lip brulee's fault. It's me. I hate liquid lipsticks. It just doesn't look right on my face. The color, that's a fun color. I wish I could do it. I wish I was 20 years old and could do liquid lips, but I'm not. Okay, so that was my December. Those are my mini reviews. Now let's do a quick sneak peek of January. January. Okay, I get so excited. I'm so sorry. Okay, January. Cute bag. I was like, I don't know. Isn't that more like a spring bag? But I don't care because I'm like, oh, I love my Ipsy bag. I have like a stack of them and they just make me happy. I really don't need this many bags. Okay. First thing is Ahava. Okay, listen to this. Dead Sea Water. Dead Sea Water. It's a lotion, a hand cream. Okay, so, and oh, it smells good. Okay, hold on. I peeked. I told you this time. It smells really nice. A little bit perfumey, not like those other hand creams that had a special smell. But I love hand cream for the summer. For the winter, and that makes me happy. But like Dead Sea, does that like sound like something you should be using on your hands? But I don't know. I'm looking forward to testing it out and giving you my review next month. Next up is Tarte Amazonian. Why can't I say it? Foundation sample. So I have not opened this up. I was saving it. Oh no. Got to peel something off and to see what the color was going to look like. I'm really excited. I love testing new foundations out. It's my #1 favorite thing in the world. Ooh, you see? Color's perfect for my hand, a little white for my face, but we're going to run with it. Exciting? Stay tuned for Foundation Friday on this foundation. All right. Next up is the reason for my liquid lips today, because I saw it had a clear, look how pretty, it is a clear lip gloss, and it's called Fluid. And I don't know, okay, this may suck, okay, but look how pretty. It's like one of those things that just goes back and forth, back and forth. I don't know, I'm in love with it. I'm just in love with it already. Let's just try it on, okay. Okay, gooey. We're gonna put it over this lip stain which got on my teeth on shirt because I suck at it. Right? Now that's better. I hate matte. Oh no! All right, I have to clean that off. That was a big mistake, big mistake. But still, I should put it on dry lips, plain lips. Look how glossy. I'm in love with this stuff. Okay, and I think there's something left. There's 2 things left. Okay, oh. VDL Lumelayer Primer, cool. I told you I keep getting primer samples. I'm just loving this. Okay, so new primer to try out. Very good, very good. Exciting, and we'll hear about that next month. And, a Luxie brush. I love you, Ipsy. It's a contour brush. It's nice. It has a nice little indent here. Love it. Thanks for watching Melanie Mills Toasted Blonde. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.